Hello, agents. You've found American Modern's Quick Quotes, a show where our quotes about specialty insurance just might help you quote more specialty insurance. We've assembled another top team from across the U.S. today. Hosting again from Cincinnati is AVP of Sales Bob Foreman, and he's joined by East Region Territory Sales Manager Dakota Hammond, logging in from Charleston, South Carolina. VP of National Accounts Sherry Wilson from Phoenix, who handles the West Region, and VP of National Accounts Ted Fisher, calling in from Las Vegas, where he serves the Central Territory. Everybody ready? Let's go!
Okay, today we are discussing the topics and trends that are keeping agents up at night and the ways American Modern can help them sleep more soundly. So Sherry, what have you been hearing from your agents lately?
Well, Bob, the things that are keeping my agents up right now are their concerns with revenue and retention. And American Modern, luckily, can help with both of those. So for one thing, we offer so many different specialty products. We in the last episode, we heard our discussions about investment homes and rental properties, vacant properties, short-term rentals. But, add those to all of the other product lines that we offer, even our recreational business, and we really can help agents say yes more often to account rounding. And we all know that the more lines of business that an agent has with one customer, the less likely that customer is to leave them and shop their insurance with another agency. So we can really help with retention in that regard by helping agents say yes more often. The other thing that we offer is our great Easy Pay payment plan. So that's the electronic funds transfer. And so agents that really take advantage of signing their customers up with that feature experience a much higher retention on their book than other traditional payment plans. In fact, I think I heard a statistic internally that went something like this: 98% stay with Easy Pay. And that just goes to show you that when you sign your customers up with that payment option, they're going to be more sticky to your agency, and that their policy will retain for longer periods of time, and that's great for everyone.
Cody, how about you?
Yeah, a lot of what I'm hearing from agents with all the transition in the job market right now is hiring and onboarding of new applicants. One of the largest expenses is time when onboarding new hires. And so American Modern really wants to be a part of that process and assist. And one of the things that we're doing is that we have launched our new RAM training portal, which provides live webinars, so you can actually interact in real time with our trainers. You also have the watch in your own time videos, which obviously schedules are very booked, so it's very convenient to go in and watch in your own time some of these training videos that we provide. And then obviously job aids that provide those step-by-step instructions. And it's really great because everybody learns a little differently, and we definitely want to find what fits best for that agency.
All right, thank you, Cody. Ted, how about you?
Today, with managing their book and their customers and keeping in contact with their customers, social media a social media presence is key for agents to keep that relationship built with their customer base. American Modern has offered a free new feature to our agents called Social to Go. Agents can access Social to Go on our American Modern website, and it's a library of very rich content, articles, and things that an agent can access to post to their own social channels. So it's a great new service and feature that we've offered our agents.
Ted, I do remember a selfie video of you last summer promoting our 1 in 3 campaign with one of your Shih Tzus on your lap. But we haven't seen any of that type of content in a while, so I'm hoping we see them soon on LinkedIn.
The Shih Tzus will make a presence very soon.
It is not a little known fact anymore. It's pretty well known, but Ted and I are Shih Tzu brothers.
We are.
For life.
We are blood Shih Tzu brothers.
Right. All right, it looks like we're out of time. To our territory sales managers and experts, thanks for your insights today. Agents, we'd love to hear from you. Please comment below. And we are getting back out in the field, so we're looking forward to seeing you soon. Until next time, thank you.
Thanks, Bob.